Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to edit Canva websites. To begin, simply open your existing website design from the Canva homepage. Once inside the editor, you will find that clicking on any text box, image, or graphic activates its specific editing tools. The powerful left-hand panel provides a wide array of options for colors, fonts, elements, and more, making customization straightforward and intuitive for everyone. Customizing your website's content and layout is incredibly simple. To change text, just double-click the text box and type your desired words. For layout adjustments, you can effortlessly drag and drop any element, like images or buttons, to a new position on your page. Resizing elements is also straightforward. Simply click and drag the corner handles to achieve your perfect dimensions. Expanding your website with new pages and elements is a breeze. You can add a fresh page by clicking the Add Page button, usually found at the bottom of your design. To enrich your content, simply drag and drop new elements like images, videos, or graphics from the left-hand menu. The Page Manager allows you to easily reorder and manage all your website's pages. Once your website looks perfect, it is time to publish and share it with the world. Locate the Publish Website button in the top right corner of your screen. You have the option to use a free Canva domain or connect your own custom domain name. After publishing, you will receive a live link that you can easily share across all your platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.